Hey everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. I can't tell you how many rescues and shelters I have been to where I've seen the most beautiful, amazing dogs that were completely overlooked simply because of their appearance. Wahl, Greater Good Charities, and the animal rescue site have teamed up for their 12th annual Dirty Dogs contest. With the help of Wahl's grooming supplies, the shelters gave their most deserving dogs incredible makeovers. 10 of these transformations have been chosen as finalists. And presenting the top 10 shelter dog makeovers in America. Now, the shelters with the top 3 dogs you select will be awarded grant money to help them continue their efforts. You can vote for your favorite dog once a day until October 31st. Just visit dirtydogscontest.com.